Welcome back to Zik, the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox two-way verification code not sent or not found. So, first thing you have to do is actually go off your Roblox app, and first thing you have to do is check your internet connection. Be sure your internet connection is strong enough. So after doing that, you go to your Gmail and make sure you're logged in into the accounts you were using in your Roblox. So you check in your socials, you check in your spam, you check in your promotions as well, and be sure you can find the code. So after doing all this, the next thing you have to do is you have to open up your Play Store app. So before then, let's open up our settings and go and go down to apps, right? And you scroll down. You can easily search for Roblox. Yes, you click on that and you scroll down to storage and clear up your cache and data as well. So after doing that, you go to your Play Store as I said before, and you search for Roblox to check for an update, because if you don't have an update, if you have not updated your app, it's going to have issues like that. So now I'm about to update my Roblox app. So let's go try opening up my Roblox so you can see, because you need to update your Roblox. So let's see, you can see your Roblox version is out of date and will not work properly. So it might be as a result of this. That's why it's not actually working properly. So that's why you need to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and update your app. So let's go back and see if it has completed. Okay, it's actually installing right now, so we have to wait a little longer. Okay, it's almost getting there, so we have to wait a few seconds. So if you are connected to Wi-Fi, make sure you go off and try to connect it again, because sometimes it might be as a result of internet connection. And when you are trying to actually clear up your data, have it in mind that your account is going to be deleted. So that's why you need to have your account login details in your head or stored somewhere. So now it has finished installing. So you click on play and let's see. You can see connection issue, but we're going to open it by the ways. So after that, you click on this and then you start the process of getting you to a verification code. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get my videos like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.